Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to start Android Auto automatically when you're in a car on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to start your Android Auto automatically, let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the settings. Next, go ahead and scroll down and find connected device. Now here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Android Auto. Tap on this. And here you want to go ahead and find Start Android Auto automatically. Now by default, it's set by the vehicle. However, you can always put down always, or you can always put down if used on the last drive. So if you want to set to start Android Auto automatically, always set this to always. And now your Android Auto will start automatically in your car on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.